Thank you, Too Nosy, for the subscription right out of the gate. Dude, that's always a nice way to start the stream. How many months is that now? Oh, tier 1, 11 months. Nice. Very nice. Why are you not a tier 3 sub, bro? I bet if I checked, I'd see that you're a tier 3 Pokemon sub, so why are you not cheering with us, bro? Ouch. Triple kill! Woohoo! I'm gonna die here. Why can I not move? God, that's just a corner? This person's like blocking me from leaving the point and I hate it.
We lost.
Yeah. There wasn't really much I could do there. I was out of my little suity suit. I had gold elims and gold damage, Zach.
I had 4 gold medals.
Yeah, that's good.
Play of the game.
Sheesh. Wait, this was a nice one. Check out the perfect position I obtained before doing this. Now, usually most games Zach and I play on stream, we're usually like, I would say slightly above average. Not much further than that, though. Is it 3090 overkill for CS? You mean CSGO? Because if that's what you're asking, then yes, it is very, very
What if he
extremely...
means programming and C#?
That's what I was thinking, but not C#.
Even then.
No! No! Oh, dude, I didn't have my freaking jump. Urgh. Dude, Winston's a mad lead. He was just knocking everyone off the map.
I have 4 gold medals.
I got my ulti, bro. I have no medals right now. I don't think I'm even gonna get anyone with this. Nope, I didn't get anyone.
There's too many fillers that go around.
Yeah. They were just all right there, so I was like, I'm not gonna try to put it on the point, you know, because there's no point. Figured if I was gonna get a mini, where'd be there. You tell this Winston to quit freaking hunting me down. He's like, tank must fight tank.
Winston's dead.
Is he? I've been hacked, bro.
We can take one here, I think.
Winston is alive again, brother.
Dude, I just got hacked like 4 times.
I think I killed the one who hacks, I think. I don't really know, honestly, bro. I don't even know which one it is.
Yeah, you did. Purple bitch.
It's one of the smaller ones.
She's purple. Yeah, you
one of the twink ones.
She got res though, so don't worry.
Is she really?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Touch the point, touch the point, touch the point, touch the point.
I'm on it, but Winston has knocked me off. Winston is absolutely aping on me right now. This might not get anyone, but it'll at least hold him back for a second. No, I've been put to sleep. Boop, 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 boop. God, dude, I get hacked every like 2 seconds by this chick. Oh, he's almost dead. We got him. Winston's dead. Oh god, Bob's coming in. Oh, dude. I cannot believe we just got that. I only had bronze and objective kills, and that was it.
I think our DPS started using their thumbs.
to 0.
Jackson, always aim for the healers. I'll do my best to do that, but honestly, I don't even know who the healers are half the time. I'm still working on learning who everyone is and like what the ults are and you know who does what. Why is this guy like glowing with a light bulb? What does this mean?
Oh, that's Zarya's ability. It makes him invulnerable to all damage.
Oh. So is that guy able to place 2 different kinds of turrets?
Just one.
Oh. It seems like one like shoots normal and one has like a laser. Is he controlling it if it has a laser or something?
No.
Oh. Then why does it shoot sometimes and sometimes have a laser?
I don't know.
Sheesh. We did it. Dude, I only had a
Gold
bronze
damage
medal.
and gold healing.
Damn. Yeah, I only had 1 bronze and that was for eliminations. I was on fire though.
I
So
ran
that's
out of.
cool.
I only had 4 golds. So I didn't get all 5.
What was the 5th one that you missed?
Objective time.
Man, I had nothing for objective time. Dude, this guy popped off right here.
Yeah.
I'm guessing he did that just for the clip. Just for the clip, bro.